I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're gonna... Dude, you scared me. What are you doing here?
Well, I decided I was going to come over here and inject some incitement into your show.
All right, that sounds good. What do you have in mind?
It's this thing that's all over TikTok, and I looked at it and I thought, oh, this is wacky. I got to show Mark. So here I am.
That sounds perfect. Show me what you got.
Come this way.
All righty.
Here, come over here.
Yeah,
you gotta check this out.
What you
Look
got?
at this. Like, I can't even believe this is a thing. Here, look at this. He's not cooking it. No water.
What is he doing?
Like he's just putting the thing. Oh. Yeah. See? Like what? Why is this a thing?
There is no way that tastes good.
Like he's just straight up.
But this gives me an idea. I think I can make it better. Let's go get some ramen.
I just wanted to show you, but you think, all right.
Let's go get some ramen, man.
Let's do it.
All right.
A few moments later.
Oh man, it was hot out there, dude. Jeez, but look what we got.
Let's see. Oh, all right. There you go.
Let's do this, man.
Let's see if this is any good.
All right, so I guess we kind of open the bag up.
Aren't you supposed to break them first, or?
Oh yeah,
dude,
I messed it up already.
It's all right. All right, we broke it up just like in a TikTok.
I guess we open the seasoning packet and... Sorry, I'm not used to this kind of cooking.
Usually it's like there's cooking involved.
I think this is gonna be way too salty, but he dumped the whole sauce packet in, so...
Yeah, that's what they did
with it, man. All right, it's in there. Pull it up. Give it a shake. There you go. There you go.
Oh, whoa. See,
whoa,
there you go.
Easy there.
You've been encouraging my buffoonery.
You split the seam. Well,
oh, wow. Oh, the spice is in my nose. I'm gonna see.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Oh, disgusting.
It's stale.
Well, I'm salty. This has no redeeming qualities at all.
You know what this reminds me of? Stale caramel popcorn.
Yeah,
but
it's
with
got that
kimchi seasoning on the
This
outside.
is way too spicy. It's way too salty. Like if you put hot water on it, would you notice? But
no, I mean, it'd be fine, but because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to cook it before you eat it.
This is gross. I think my kidneys are shriveling.
So this method didn't work, but I think I can make this better. So let's try it out.
I know you can.
We've got the water boiling, and I'm gonna try to cook these first because I think that sauce is gonna cling to the noodles a little bit better if we cook it first, and then we can bake it or fry it. We'll see which works better.
After the experience I just had, like anything would be
All right, so this is going in here. So we'll save the seasoning packet for later.
All right, later, dude.
And let's boil this. So I think we don't need to actually get it soft because we're gonna wanna get it crunchy anyway. We just wanna get it like soft enough so that it's not like a brick. So we can mix the seasoning in.
Yeah. Oh, oh, geez, we almost had a boil over, folks. That would have been bad.
All right, man, this is done. So let's go ahead and drain this.
Let's drain it.
And make sure you get as much water off of there as you can. And we're gonna go ahead and just dump it in here and
let's make a snack out of this.
yeah, let's get the sauce packet in there. Oh, we got some veggies in there. I don't think we need the veggies. No. So here's the mistake that they made earlier, which is to put the whole packet in. It's way too much. I'm gonna put like half of this in. Just sprinkle it in there. We wanna season it on the outside, and then it's still wet, so this is gonna dissolve. All right, so I'm gonna mix that in real good so there's no like salty spots and not salty spots. And I think we're good to go. Let's, oh, you know what?
What?
For this one, let's bake this one. So I'm gonna add a little bit of...
I'm down to get baked.
So to use an air fryer or to bake it, we need to add a little bit of oil to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add just maybe like a tablespoon of oil in there. And we're gonna mix this up real good.
I'd almost eat it right now, actually.
Mix her up. Yeah, I mean, it looks like yakisoba, right?
Yeah, that's kind of the vibe that's coming off of this.
So now we just need to get this into the pan over here. So I guess we just dump it on there. And so I'm kind of skeptical that this is gonna actually get crispy, but
yeah, that's the same thought I was in.
TikTok says it will, so who am I to say otherwise,
TikTok
right?
never lies.
TikTok never lies. All right, and then we're gonna put this into the oven. It's 360 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 until they crisp.
30 minutes later.
All right, I think it's done. So let's check it out.
Yeah, let's see what this is like, man.
Ooh.
Woo! Oh, it's got a brownness on it.
Crispy.
Crispy. I'm ready to chomp.
Let's try it out.
Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see what this thing turned out like.
It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So break off a corner.
All
try it
right,
out.
let's give it a try.
It's crispy.
Crispy, yeah.
All right, cheers.
Cheers, man. It's okay.
It's better than it was before.
Well, nothing could be worse than that. I want to see the Mark Matsumoto version, honestly.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be so much better.
All right, because we're about to do that. So let's jump in. I'm not gonna bore you with more noodle boiling here, but we softened up another batch of noodles, drained them, and
All right, man.
so we've got our noodles drained,
Yeah.
dump them in here.
I can't wait to see the full-on Matsumoto version of this.
Well, we're gonna do a little bit differently.
I knew it.
Seasoning packets are full of MSG and umami and spice.
Yeah,
But
it's not next
I think
level.
we could do it a little bit extra.
Of course we could.
We gotta do it up extra, right? And for that, we've got, what do you think this is?
That's Japanese curry.
Bingo!
Japanese curry.
So we'll get a good deal of Japanese curry on there.
Is that what I think it is? Is that the one you made for the video?
Yes.
Dude, you guys got to check out that video that he made about how to make Japanese curry powder from scratch.
All right, let's mix this up. And we're gonna fry these instead of bake them, so we don't have to wait for 30 minutes.
Goodness.
Oh my God, it smells so good, dude. Listen to it.
Whoa! They ain't got nothing on you, man. The company can't
a
touch
punch,
this.
man. All right. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Oh boy. All right, so let's fry this up, man.
Can't wait.
I think I'm gonna split it into 2 or 3 batches just so we're not like eating a massive ramen cracker. Use a deep pot for this and be ready to cut the heat if it looks like it's gonna boil over. If you could smell this right now, I mean, he can smell
Yeah.
it, I can smell it, but ooh, let me tell you.
Already, I'm actually anticipating this. And nothing could be horrible after the first batch that we tried.
That was bad.
That was
wasn't it?
brutal. Don't do it.
Don't do it. So you know this is done when the bubbles get really small because that means there's not a lot of water left in the noodles. So we've got small bubbles.
Hey.
We're good to go. Get this onto a paper towel lined rack to drain. And
All right.
let's try this out.
Oh, man.
This smells so good. You ready to try this?
I'm ready as ready to be.
All right.
All right, let's do
Dig
this.
in. Sure.
Yeah, all
All right,
right.
just grab one.
Oh, it's still warm. Oh, I love it. I love it.
Super crispy.
Oh. That's the way you do it.
Pretty good, huh?
The curry's coming through. The crunch is like echoing through my head.
Mm-hmm.
You Matsumoto'd it, man. It worked. It's lovely.
Pack of instant ramen, boil the noodles, mix it with some of the seasoning, add a little curry powder, deep fry it, and this is what you get. I think we're only missing one thing. What? Beer!
Ooh. Whoa, look at that head. Whoa, 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 don't overflow. All right, I'll give you some. This is homemade beer that I made myself.
Kanpai!
Kanpai. Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah,
that's perfect for this.
that's fantastic.
Oh. I'm just overexcited.
Oh. All right, so the TikTok trend, as is, was a little, yeah, it was a no-go, but you fry it up, add a little curry, and it's
Oh man, that's a winner.
pretty good, huh? All right, so give it a try.